The new AirPods Pro 2 is finally here, and what you will learn from this video that will blow your mind. And I'm gonna give you the most honest answer to the question, should you upgrade to the new AirPods Pro Gen 2 if you already have the original version? Or if you tried AirPods Pro in the past and you were not very satisfied, will this be something for you? We're gonna do so many things in this video, but some of the things we're gonna do is, for example, that we're gonna compare the design of the new AirPods Pro Gen 2 and the original version. And the first thing we're gonna do, that is to unbox the new AirPods Pro Gen 2. We will also check if the new extra small ear tips that comes with the new AirPods Gen 2 will fit the original AirPods Pro. So if you have the original ones and you decide to, I don't wanna upgrade, but you don't have a good seal, they don't really fit you well because you have small ears, will those ear tips do the trick for you? Then we'll of course compare the sound quality, and we're gonna test out how well the noise cancelling works, if that has been improved as well. I'll also try out how well the new volume adjustment feature works. And one thing that I am very curious about, that is how well the new skin sensor works. And then we're gonna see how well you can find your AirPods Pro Gen 2 and the case if you misplace them somewhere, because that is happening to me all the time. With this much to cover, let's start directly with unboxing. The first thing you notice is that the case itself doesn't have any plastic around it, so we don't have the plastic waste anymore. Here we have two pulling tabs that open up this beauty, designed by Apple in California. And here is the case with the AirPods. What else do we have here? Here we have the new ear tips. So this time we have the large, the medium that are installed on AirPods Pro already. We have the small and we have the extra small, which makes these AirPods Pro 2 perfect because they're gonna fit smaller ears. We're also gonna test if these extra small earbuds for the AirPods Pro 2 actually gonna fit the old version, the Gen 1 of the AirPods Pro. Because on Apple's website, it says that these ones are actually only compatible with the new AirPods Pro 2. It's actually not AirPods Pro 2, it's AirPods Pro Gen 2. What else do we have in the box? We have a charging cord. This is a USB-C lightning cord. Smell that. Oh, look. Oh, it's a little sound. What is the visual difference between the old AirPods Pro? The case itself looks the same, except here. Here we have a lanyard loop, so you can have a lanyard there so you don't lose them. On the back side, it looks the same. In the bottom here, one thing that we should pay extra attention to are these three holes. Those are speakers, which are gonna make it possible to hear these ones a lot better when you lose them in the couch or somewhere else, and you're gonna use the Find My feature to locate them. Let's bring the phone into the picture so we can pair these up, and we need to unlock the screen first, and now it's unlocked and we can open up the case. And you're getting a little chime. The AirPods Pro Connect. So now let's compare the AirPods Pro themselves with the old gen. The visuals are almost the same. The vents on the back here, those are the same. On the other side here, the proximity sensor seemed to have been relocated from the bottom here to the side instead. And the microphone has also been relocated from here on the side to the top on the new AirPods Pro 2. When it comes to the charging connections, the AirPods 1 seem to be identical to the AirPods Pro. Let's put the new AirPods Pro into the old case to see if they actually charge. Oh, they do! So it's the same connections. So you can use the new case to the old AirPods or the old AirPods to the new case. And according to Apple, the new pairs should be heavier than the old ones. Just because of that, I have my little scale here so we can see if that is true. So the old ones, together with the AirPods Pro inside, is 56 grams. The new ones are 61 grams. What about the AirPods itself? This one is 6 grams and this one's 5 grams. Another difference is how they charge. The old AirPods Pro charge via the lightning port or a wireless charger, but they could not be charged on your watch charger. I have an Apple Watch charger here, and let's put these ones on top to take a look if it works. It works so fast, did you see? But if we try to do the same with the old AirPods case, Nothing happens. I just would like to try out if the AirPods Pro 1st gen will work with the AirPods Pro 2 earbuds that is an extra small size. So let's take these ones off. And then let's take these extra small ones and we just have to line them up on the back because it's oval. Oh! It works perfect! Now I really would like to try these ones out to see how they work. Let's put them in the ears. Oh, that was fast. You know, if you're used to the old AirPods Pro, you know that you put them inside and then you get the chime after about 1 second or so. This was instantly. It's quiet. The noise cancelling was on directly. It's really quiet. I need to try and compare to the old ones. The Gen 2 is definitely more quiet and I don't have much noise here, but we're going to try that out with more noise in just a second. Let's put the new ones in. So let's play something. Let's take spatial audio. Wow! There's a really good bass. I need to compare that to the old version. Oh my god! The difference in the bass is just incredible. In the old AirPods Pro, it was kind of not so much. But when you put the new AirPods Pro 2 in your ears, oh my god! I did not expect this. It's like the AirPods Max. This is something you just have to experience to believe. But the audio quality is a game changer. If I would like to adjust the volume... Oh! I can slide, look! I can slide on the front side. And you're getting that little tick, tick, tick that tells you that you have adjusted the volume. Before, you either had to do it on your phone or you had to do it on the Apple Watch. When I first got the AirPods Pro, I actually called Apple and said, there must be something I'm missing because I can't figure out how to adjust the volume on the AirPods Pro themselves. And they said, well, you can't. And I said, oh. The audio quality is just so immersive. The next thing we need to try out, that is the noise cancelling feature. And what I'm gonna play is this construction site noise. It sounds like this. I can already hear that the AirPods Pro 2 is cancelling out that loud noise in a complete different way that I have experienced before. Even the old AirPods Pro were detecting high noises, even if you had the feature on so you could hear the surrounding, so you didn't have the noise cancelling on. They turned the noise cancelling on to protect your ears, but the way the new AirPods Pro is doing this, that is just in a different level. I'm gonna turn off the noise cancelling by having a long press. Oh wow, what a difference it is when I'm talking. So this adaptive transparency mode, everything sounds the same way as when I don't have anything in my ears. Look here in the setting, we go to Matt's AirPods Pro, and here we have the ear tip fit test. We haven't even done that. Let's do that so we know that we have the right size of the ear tips in our ears. Continue. Oh, good seal. And the next thing we can do is that we can go to personalized spatial audio. You can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio for the shape of your ears. And that is actually not just specific to the AirPods Pro 2, that also works for the AirPods Pro 1st gen when you have upgraded to iOS 16. Take AirPods out of your ears to continue. Move your head in different angles. Right ear. Right ear captured. Left ear. You have completed your personalized spatial audio setup. So now back to this noise cancelling feature. First, let's try the old AirPods Pro. Let's play the I still hear a lots of construction noise. AirPods Pro 2. Oh wow! That is like a different... It's so much more quiet. It's like the old AirPods Pro was maybe reducing, I don't know, 30% something, but the new AirPods Pro 2, I think that is maybe reducing 70 or 80% of that noise. That's just cafeteria ambience. Pretty noisy. It just took about 1 second and then it's just closed in and I'm sitting here like in a bubble. The audio quality, the bass is so much more immersive and the noise cancelling is on a different level as well. I didn't think the difference should be this big. If you don't want to use the default feature of long press for activating noise cancelling, you can of course go into the settings of the AirPods Pro and then you can adjust that setting, press and hold AirPods the left. I would like to have that for Siri. Then you can do that and then you can hold the long press to activate Siri instead. The new AirPods Pro 2 has always on for listening for Hey Siri. Yeah, as you can see, it's... What about the battery life? So the old AirPods Pro case gave you about 24 hours of listening or 18 hours of talk. The new AirPods Pro 2 gives you 30 hours of listening or 24 hours of talk. And if you don't use the case, on the old AirPods Pro, you got about 4.5 hours of battery inside this little AirPod. You had about 3.5 hours of listening time. With the new AirPods Pro 2, you're getting about 6 hours of listening or 5.5 hours of listening if you have the Spatial audio feature on, or 4.5 hours of talking. So now we're going to try out the microphones. The way I'm going to do that is that I'm first going to start with the old AirPods Pro and I'm going to go into the audio recording app. And this is what it sounds like on the old AirPods Pro. And this is a sample audio recording from the new AirPods Pro Gen 2. There's one more difference that I think makes a big difference, and that is on the old AirPods Pro, you had a proximity sensor that detected if you had the AirPods inside your ears. On the new AirPods Pro Gen 2, there is a skin sensor instead. Sometimes I just don't know where I have my case. Maybe it's the same for you. And what I do with these ones, when I'm not using them or I need to have my ear for something else, I just put them in my pocket. And what's then going to happen is that someone is calling and I can't figure out why it doesn't work because the audio is in my pocket. We're going to take these ones out from the case. I'm going to put them in my pocket instead. And now I'm going to call myself to see where the audio goes. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's working perfect. I can hear myself in both phones. Hello? 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 I can't hear anything. And why not? Because that audio is inside those stupid AirPods Pro that are in my pockets. This is also a real game changer. Another difference is the Bluetooth version. In the old AirPods Pro we had version 5. In the new we have 5.3. I'm gonna leave my phone inside here and then I'm gonna just walk away to see how far I can go. And to make it easy, we're just gonna start a song. I'm gonna put the phone inside one of these cases so it doesn't have as good connection as it has on outside. Okay, I have a good connection. Let's walk away. Sounds perfect. Let's see how far we go. Still good audio. Oh, here it disappeared. Right here. Right here. The audio disappeared. The new ones. Put back the phone in this little beauty. Ooh, the audio is such a big difference when I'm listening to this music. My God, it's amazing. And now we are approaching, this is the same place. It's exactly the same range. Now it's back again. Next thing we just need to try out is the new precision finding and Find My feature. And as you know, if you lost your AirPods Pro, let's put them here somewhere. And now the AirPods are inside the case. You go into your Find My app and you go to devices, and now I'm gonna find nearby. Searching for signal, connects to AirPods, could take up to a minute, and this is what we are used to. It takes forever to connect to them. Oh, here, oh, they are near. Oh, let's see, how near are we? Where should we go? Oh, it's still near. It's everywhere is near. Well, it's still near. Now I'm on top of them and it still says just near, it doesn't say here. And then now put the AirPods Pro 2 at the same place. And then we select them instead in the Find My app. Oh, it just took about 2 seconds before it works. That is a big difference. Okay, so it's 2.1 meter away. And, oh, look, here. Oh, it says that I should walk this way. It works a lot better than the old AirPods Pro. If you didn't have the AirPods inside and you just, oh, where is the stupid case? You put the case there on the old version, then, oh, I can only look for the AirPods. The result is you lose the case because you have no way to locate it. If we instead take the new AirPods Pro 2 and do the same, let's put the case here. So now I have the location of both the case and the right and the left AirPod. And another thing, remember that speaker that is on the bottom of the case. If I now tap the case, and I can of course take Find My, and I get in the location. It's just right there. There it is. And I can also play the sound. And it's really loud. It's really, really loud. There is no precision finding on the AirPods Pro. It's all on the case. It's the case that helps us find it because that's where the precision finding is located. Another thing is also that remember the LED light, and if I take play sound, try to connect, still trying to connect, takes forever to connect. Now we're getting a sound. It takes so long time. Let's stop that. If I take the new AirPods Pro and I take play sound, it goes directly and it's so loud, and you get in the LED that is flashing as well. But did you see the difference in how fast they connect? And when you're actually standing there and you're looking for the AirPods, really feels like forever when you're waiting for them to connect. But this one is just directly. So should you upgrade to the new AirPods Pro Gen 2 or should you keep the old version? I didn't think that the difference should be as pronounced and big as it actually is. Before I tried them out, I was kind of skeptical of upgrading because they looked the same. It didn't seem to be such a big difference, but now after I've tried them, I'm never gonna use this once again. So the next thing you're gonna do, that is to watch that video, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next, and the video on that side, well, that is the latest uploaded video I have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.